going on, everybody? Amen. If y'all like this video, this is for teaching purposes. If y'all like this video, hit the like button. I appreciate all y'all, all my subscribers. I love y'all. Right now, we're going to teach you guys how to shift 10-speed, upshifting, downshifting, double clutching, and floating. Just a little quick tutorial. But now, I'm going to wave it back and forth, make sure it's in neutral. And I'm going to start out in 4th gear. Now watch your RPMS as well. Now watch how I double clutch. Bring it to my foot. Watch your RPMS. That's how you double clutch. Now I'm going to go from 5th to 6th. Double clutching is just a tap, pause, tap. Real simple. Not all the way down, just medium tap. Now, what I'm going to do is, we're going to continue to just like that. Now, I'm going to double clutch downshift. Now it's just clutch in, just like that. I'm going to go to 6. Clutch in, just like that. And that's double clutching downshifting and double clutching upshifting. Now I'm going to float it, which means no clutch.